Tired of spending hours in the kitchen? Get ready to revolutionize your meal prep with the incredible Instant Pot Duo Plus. This isn't just any pressure cooker. It's a true 9-in-1 kitchen powerhouse, effortlessly handling everything from slow cooking to yogurt making and even sterilizing baby bottles. Imagine delicious, healthy meals with just a press of a button, thanks to its 15 smart, customizable programs that take the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're a busy parent or a gourmet chef, the Duo Plus simplifies complex recipes, making dinner faster and more enjoyable. Plus, the premium stainless steel inner pot isn't just durable, it ensures even heating and is incredibly easy to clean, a huge win for any home cook. It's truly the best kitchen companion for anyone looking to save time, eat healthier, and streamline their cooking routine in 2025. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, you can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus via the Amazon link in the description below. This smart appliance is a game changer for daily meals, making healthy eating effortlessly achievable. Don't miss out on this fantastic investment for your home. Click the link to grab yours today. Seriously, for versatility, ease of use, and incredible results, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our top recommendation for the best kitchen appliance of 2025.